Oh, say, can't you see by what's so proudly we hailed? What's up, YouTube? Hi, how are you? How was your weekend? It's the 2nd of July, and so today I am gonna be doing a makeup. Usually when it comes with these colors, blue, red, and white, I really don't like put those colors on my face, but I came up with this idea. I was like, okay, how about this? I already have my blue eyeliner, remember I used one time, and also I got my red lipstick, and I got sparkly eyeshadow. Look at this, sparkles, sparkles. Ooh, check this out. Focus, focus. Okay, how about if I do my makeup and the theme, on the 4th of July, for the 4th of July. So the first thing I'm gonna do, eyeshadow. I need my mirror, okay? Oh, wait for a second. Eyeshadow first. Boom, boom, boom. You know that I'm very minimalist when it comes to makeup. I do things very in a simple way, like so. So I put a very light beige eyeshadow, so I can make it more like stand out the eyeliner. So I got this eyeliner is in blue, and I'm gonna use it right now. See how it looks. I think it looks good. Can you hear? My neighbors is playing piano. Tomorrow I'm gonna be cooking something related with the 4th of July. I hope you tune in. It's going to be something very delicious, and it's gonna be colorful and sweet. I'm gonna add a little bit of black because black never goes wrong. Like, see what I'm doing? I'm doing a very fine line, only just to determine to make it more like defined. And now I'm gonna apply the sparkles. Check this out, they're so very cute. The way I do it, I'll just grab a little piece of this and put it in there. Laura, what are you doing? Okay, and that's it. Can you see the sparkles? And now, since I have the red lipstick, this is gonna be my blush 2-in-1, okay? I don't complicate my life. Just does this. And red lips for this. And that's it. How do you like my makeup for the 4th of July? It's very simple, very quick, but I hope you like it. Okay, if you like this video, thumbs up and like and subscribe. All right, it's just this.